Today I'll show you how to draw Santa Claus. I love Santa because he is wise and kind and he brings presents for the kids every Christmas. First, let's put Santa in the center of the paper. For this, mark with the pencil 4 points. One on the top, one on the bottom, one on the left and one on the right side. Then, draw an oval inside of those composition dots. Then, divide the oval like this. Put in the center one more point and draw an oval around it. It will be a nose, which looks a bit like a potato. Next, draw the beard. It starts from the center of the nose and it goes all the way down to the bottom composition point from one side and from another, like this. Now, let's draw a small tail of the beard on the right side, like this. Now, let's put a little smiling mouth under the nose, because I love Happy Santa. Let's draw his smiling eyes. His eyes are smiling, so I draw them closed, similar to how I drew his mouth, just upside down. Next, draw Santa's head. Put one point on this side and one point on this side. And draw the fur on the bottom of the head. On the right side, around this dot, let's draw a circle. It will be pompon, which is furry and fluffy. After that, connect the sides of the bottom part of the head with the pompon with two curved lines, like this. From here to there and from here to there. Finally, draw Santa's hair on the sides. Connect the head and beard with curves like that. The contour is ready. Let's outline it with a marker. Start from the top and go to the bottom, so you do not smear the marker lines. It's okay if your marker lines will be different from the pencil lines. We will erase them later. Do not hurry up and be careful like me. The contour is ready. Now, let's wait for some time, for 10 seconds for example, and let the contour dry. Now, when it's dry, we can erase all pencil lines which we don't need more. Now, let's color the Santa's drawing. I use red for the head, and I'm just coloring like this. You can use every color which you like. I'm trying to color according to the shape. Now, I use orange for the face because on the North Pole there are a lot of sun. Also, in the North Pole it's a bit cold, so Santa's nose, usually very pinky because of the cold. Now, I use blue for adding shadows on the white parts because usually white looks like blue in the shadow. I draw a bit shadow here, here, and on the beard. As you can see, blue adds a volume to the white parts. Beautiful! Santa's hat is ready. Now let's add ho 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 on the bottom. Like this. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas to you! Please like and subscribe before checking other tutorials on this channel. See you next time!